Hi everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. I hope you're all well and enjoying this lovely day. I am thankful that you are spending your time with me this very minute, and I hope that you stay till the end of this video. So this is video number 3 for #Vintage Christmas Day in July 2021 collaboration. This event is hosted by Teri Lee of Sweet Pea Papers, Kyung Shotwell, and Lisa Fisher. And there are a number of talented participants in this collaboration. So if you type in #Vintage Christmas Day in July 2021, you will see the amazing work of all these talented crafters. And if you go to Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group, you will also see pictures of awesome projects from people who are not uploading videos on YouTube. So if you watch video number 2, you will see that my project was from junk mails. So I used envelopes. Some of them were used, some of them were from junk mails, and I used different sizes and different colored envelopes. And then these are the digital papers. I tried to use offcuts also, and then I used manila folders. So the cover was a manila folder, and honestly, at first, I didn't really know what I would like to do because I just wanted to use my junk mails. So now I have a finished product and now I know what it is. And you know what? I really enjoyed this process because as I went along, I figured out what I wanted to do in the first place. So this is a book full of envelopes and pockets. And yes, it is a journal. It does not have coffee stained papers or lots of writing blank papers, but I have here plenty of blank tags and journaling cards and lots of places to put extra sheets of paper. So yes, this is a great journal and this is going to be my personal. And I didn't care about the sewing or whether I used a white thread. I should have used a red thread, but this is mine, so that's okay. And look, I have the offcuts in the cover, and I have a title Dream. And I also like the feel of the covers. It's very sturdy and just nice to the touch. And then for the closure, this is attached and it's a sari fabric. And then I have here a skeletal key, which is also a bottle opener. I have this in my Etsy shop. And I think I like to do this kind of closure in my next journals. And so again, that's a title, Dream. And it got big. So it's getting fat. Okay, so let us take a look inside. So this is the first page and I have plenty of blank tags here. I didn't do any stamping. I will do that as I use the journal. And I use manila folders for my tags just so I have a neutral color here. And I like the look of it. So this is a journaling card. Oops, it's upside down, sorry. And just tuck there. This is also a tuck. Another tuck and more blank tags or page. This is great sentiment from the kit. And this is, I guess, an envelope from the bank. Die cut. Another journaling card. And this is a library card which I coffee stained. There you go. And I tried to make tickets, but I got lazy and I just had one here. And then just a window there from the envelope. I love this page. And this is a die cut from Elizabeth Craft's design, which is one of my favorite dies. And look at that. Nice, eh? This is also a tuck there. And so this is kind of blank. I will decorate that as I go. This is a booklet. Just plain copy paper. And see, this is so blank, but that's okay because I can put pictures there as I use this. This is a tuck and some little or tiny tags. They are so cute. Used stamp and then more tag. Love the image here. Another blank tag. And so this die is the same that I used here. There it is. And I left this blank so I can put pictures of my grandkids. That's a tuck. And if you notice, I didn't use lace except for this page. I mean on the spine. I used that lace here so I could reinforce the spine. And this is a lovely image too, and a tuck. And then here's a pocket. Nice, eh? And another journaling card. Another tag. And see, I use lots of offcuts here. And more blank cards. Now this is a double pocket, and I used my envelope punch to do the tabs here. Another journaling card. She is lovely. And this image is also very nice. I love it. And this is a photo mat. It says here joyful. Another tag. And Mr. Santa Claus. And this is a pocket. And I love this image. Oh, this got folded. So this is a nice writing space here. And this is another tuck and a journaling card. Oops, I have a stain here from the ink, so I gotta back it with something. And I love these images. Look at this. Very nice. Left the envelope just as is, just decorated a Christmas tree there. And then more blank tags. I actually was thinking of whether to do some stamping, but well, this is my personal, so I will do that later. And then this is an envelope, and I have more offcuts here. And this is another journaling card. Oops, there I go. And then another photo mat. This is a tuck, and I love this image. Look at this. So pretty, Kyung. And then this is a pocket. So even if I don't have like coffee stain paper or writing pads, I have plenty to use. And look at this, more inserts. So yes, this is a great writing journal, I would say, because then I have all the spaces to just put my thoughts on. So there you go. This is my junk journal full of envelopes, pockets, and tucks. I hope you like this because I do like this. And I am happy because now I have a Christmas journal where I can put pictures and also write something. So I am good to go. And I'm also very thankful because the journal that I did in the beginning of the collaboration is on its way to a new home. So that is great, eh? So what do you think, guys? I hope that you like this project, and let me know what you think. Again, thank you so much for joining me this minute. My next video for this collaboration would probably be different because I got some encouragements from friends who would like to see process videos. I really honestly stayed away from doing tutorials and process videos just because I felt that I may not be good at that. I'm not much of a talker, and I honestly am scared to do a tutorial. But you know what? Why not? We're here to learn something new and to have fun, so I'm gonna do that. So thanks for the encouragement, friends. And also Miss Lisa Fisher, who also said she wanted me to do some process videos. I am going to do it, and I hope that you stay tuned. I will do baby steps. Not going to do live stream yet. I am allowed to do it, but oh, that is scary. That's a giant step for me. So just baby steps. So please support us again in this collaboration. Again, if you type in hashtag Vintage Christmas Day in July 2021, you will see awesome projects from the participants. Thanks again, everyone, for being here with me. Again, thank you for supporting my channel. And if you are not subscribed and you like what you see, please join my YouTube family and hit that subscribe button. God bless you. Bye now. Till next time.